It does. I'm leaving. I'm going to go get Brittany. She's out of breath. She's clearly freezing. I mean, we need to get that woman back into the studio and let her warm up.
Yeah, it is cold out there. Seriously, so we'll talk more about the temperatures. But yeah, folks might be thinking, okay, it's kind of tapered off for now. Is this going to be it? But we know it's not over.
I'm getting tweets this morning, and folks are saying, Pete, I don't drink bourbon, but I am stocked up on the red wine.
Right.
So they're stocked up on the essentials, like this one right here. Angie in Texas. Pete, love following for the commentary and a little bit of weather. I don't drink bourbon, but I do love a good red wine. I'm fully stocked. God bless you.
Good.
I'm in Southeast. Now here's the meat of it. The bourbon and the wine, of course. I'm in Southeast Dallas near Mesquite Line. Do you think it's done here, or maybe another round this afternoon? And that's a great question. That's what Greg was just talking about. We absolutely do have another round, and it's not just this afternoon. It's going to be this evening. So we're in a bit of a lull right now. We're at 9:50, almost 9:52, in a little bit of a lull right now. But that's not going to last for long. So again, Greg and I were talking about this earlier. This is kind of the appetizer. The main course comes this evening. That's when we expect the majority of the accumulation to take place. And new data is just starting to trickle in, and it continues to confirm that belief that the main round is going to be this evening. So there we are, DBU, it's 22 degrees. The quad still has the green grass here out at DBU. I don't know how long that's going to last, because Greg has some near record cold temps or record cold temps over the next 3 mornings in the forecast. 22, the wind chill is 10 at DBU. Things have really iced up at UNT and Denton. The temp is 18, the wind chill's 4, at least it's above 0. Up in Denton. Winter storm warning for all of North Texas, East Texas under an ice storm warning right now. And then we have an extreme cold warning, dangerously cold wind chills. Tonight through Monday morning, wind chills 5 to 10 degrees below 0. 5 to 10 below 0. There's where Brittany is. And there's that little bit of a dry slot right now in Dallas County. So Dallas County's really cold, but at least it's dry right now. But other areas are seeing just the continuation of the sleet, the snow, and the freezing rain. There we are at 11 o'clock. So you can see some spots there's noon. Big chunk of the Metroplex has a break. Parts of the Metroplex a break still at 2, but other parts it's still sleeting and freezing rain and snowing. 4 p.m. Now it's starting to fill back in. Watch this. Here's 6. Now let's go to 7, 8, 9. It's 100% coverage this evening, 100% coverage overnight. It all ends, this is 8 tomorrow morning, it all ends with some snow showers. Check that out. It's a couple of hours of light snow tomorrow morning, and then we're finished with it. We're all dry by noon. Oh, could there be a flurry tomorrow afternoon? Absolutely. But anything that would accumulate would be over with before lunchtime tomorrow. How much ice will we pick up? A glaze, a coating, maybe up to 1/4 of an inch in this location, and then down to the south, the southern half of Dallas-Fort Worth and North Texas, it could be a little bit more. East Texas, 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch. And how much will the sleet and snow accumulate? Remember, the majority of the accumulation will be sleet, not snow. 3 to 5 inches. These areas to the north, right in the Metroplex, it could be 1 to 2, maybe up to 3, isolated higher amounts for both of these locations, and then a dusting or a covering south of the Metroplex. So that's the way it looks right now. Otherwise, Greg, at 4:45 this morning, at DFW, we dropped to 32 degrees. Okay. How long will we be below freezing?
Oh, for a long time. They're not going to get above freezing. Forget about it this weekend and for the first part of next week. So we will have a long stretch with these temperatures below freezing. So we've already gotten there, as we've been talking about, upper teens and low 20s out there right now. So Sunday's high only around 22, maybe 23. It's going to be quite cold for those highs on tomorrow afternoon. Monday, we might not hit 30 degrees the way it looks now heading on into Monday afternoon there. And then as we get on into Tuesday, it's going to be late morning. We may finally get above freezing during the day on Tuesday there. We're calling for around 11 a.m. Looks like we could get finally above freezing. So that would be 79 hours total below freezing here as we head into the early part of next week. We'll still be dealing with these very frigid temperatures there. You see the record, 295 hours back in 1983. And as we compare this to 2021, as a lot of folks are, 139 hours, we will be were below freezing then. So we won't get close to that. But yes, long enough with those temperatures quite cold out there. We've talked about the hundreds of cancellations, delays out at DFW Love Field right now. Just warmed up a degree, actually, as we were talking. 23 degrees out there for you right now. But that wind chill, 11. So with those temperatures may nudge up a degree or 2. And look, the sleet has picked up once again, taking you out to DFW Airport where we have 22 right now. So that visibility has dropped once again with that sleet picking up. Feels like it's 9 above. Now, those overnight lows, as we look around North Texas for tomorrow morning, lower teens, single digits. digits, close to those records for tomorrow. Fort Worth, you'll be around 12, along with Denton, 13 coming over to Dallas and McKinney for tomorrow morning. Factoring in those winds, we're looking at below zero wind chills. That will be the case heading into Monday morning. Looks like we could break that record. It's 12 right now out at DFW. We're going to be in the single digits heading into Monday morning. And then when we factor in those winds, we are talking about wind chills minus 10 heading out to Denton, maybe as cold as minus 13 to minus 15 in some locations. Now, those records, yes, they will definitely be in jeopardy for tomorrow. We'll be around 12, single digits on Sunday, Monday morning, Sunday night going into Monday morning. And look at that, even on Tuesday, looks like we could tie or break that record, forecasting 11 right now. And that record is 12 back in 1963. So we'll have, again, a long stretch with these temperatures well below freezing, dangerously so, over the next few days.